take a look what impact does a blizzard have on a garden. It's May 1st and we just had a blizzard with really bad weather, lots of snow, and now let's take a look what happened. A microclimate has a huge impact on the garden. As you see here, this is on the north side of the house and there is still snow and all the perennials are still more or less dormant. I haven't done anything in this area because the ground is actually partially even still frozen. On the other side of the same fence, the snow is all gone. That's the south side. Perennials are growing. I already transplanted this. And even some are flowering. To prepare for the blizzard, I did some covering. For example, here, I just placed the old window to protect more from the snow than from the cold. Or another example here, this is the perennial garden. I just put a bag of leaves over some tender plants. And I do that in the winter too. It works great. Leaves are free. There are lots of them. And only tender plants need to be protected. Those that are hardy do not. Another example to protect plants when there is snow is a bucket. For example, this here, they were flowering so beautiful before the snow, so I just put a bucket over them. And that protected them from being trampled down and freeze too. And here is another window. Again, just to protect so the snow doesn't trample it down. But as you see, everything is growing. Perennials are usually really hardy. I also planted some peas in this protected garden bed just a few weeks ago. And let's see if they survive the blizzard. Being in a protected garden, they are already a little bit protected. But I also give them a cover. And the snow also covered. Here is not melted yet. But if you open, the peas are growing as happily as it could be. And they probably don't need a cover anymore. But we still have frost every night, so yeah. We grow overwintering spinach that we plant in the fall or late summer and leave it here over the winter. So this spinach was here just like this all winter long. So I was not worried about that being frozen. But I did want to see if it makes a difference if I do put a frost blanket over them. We use frost blankets a lot in our northern garden. And now let's see if there's a difference between the plants without a cover and under the cover. And it looks like the ones under the cover are almost trampled down more by the snow than those that are not. You see this here in comparison to this here. So yeah, spinach does not have to be covered. These leaves, the yellow ones that you see, those are leaves from last year. What I'm interested in is the new growth. We have a warm microclimate in our backyard. Here's a black currant bush, sorrel. So yeah, all of it survived and is growing. Now, last not least, let's take a look in the dome. The greenhouse is also planted with cold weather crop. We do not plant anything that is heat loving at that stage. And here too, I partially covered the plants with frost blanket. Not sure if I had to, but I wanted to give them some extra warmth. Here these are beets and some other seeds, whatever came up. And under the cover are cabbage family plants, and they do look good. They're actually almost a bit warm here. So yeah. This dome is unheated, and at this point we have no heating or ventilation or anything going. So yeah, they're great. I need to uncover them now and give them some water. But everything survived very well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to see how a garden can survive a blizzard situation. I sure hope you don't have temperatures as low as we do sometimes. But if you are in a cold climate, this might encourage you to grow, to plant early what you can, only the winter crop of course, but keep on growing. Thank you.